A lot of people don't realize that these pipes are failing until it's pretty much too late. The drain lines back up, they get poo in their basement, it wrecks some of their furniture, their carpeting, it causes them all sorts of turmoil, and they can't use their showers and their laundry and their toilets for a couple of days until somebody comes and cleans it out. We had sewer ninjas, and so do you. You know that the infrastructure is falling apart just like we do all across America, because you see drain cleaners running up and down your street all the time. And then you see once in a while a massive excavator in somebody's yard digging up their pipe, and you're like, oh, I hope that never happens to me. This is the unseen reality of the infrastructure in the United States. It's falling apart. So what we were encouraging you to do is to call us so we can get out in front of it. If you've had backups recently, or if you've had a couple of backups over the last 10, 12 years, your pipe's failing. And it would be better for you to know the cost of it now to fix it versus speculating on how much it's going to cost later on when the can gets kicked too far down the street and now you've got a major problem. You can't use your building drain lines for 5, 6, 7, 8 days until some excavator shows up and digs up your front yard. We provide the most innovative, cost-efficient, minimally invasive, and also time approach that, essentially of any company out there, because all we do is pipelining and we do it really, really good.